Today I'm going to show you how to make this motion graphics video in Canva. Go to videos and open new video project. Click in the background and change the color to blue. Duplicate. Make the first one just 1 second or less. And grab your images or your elements. You can upload your own images from here. Just going to use these elements. Drag the first element and make it in the middle of this page and add new text and type your text. Change the font. Let's use this one. Capsalon. Change the color and make the left shadow. Click in this text, go to these three dots, copy the style and paste. Resize a little bit and drag to the top. Keep just this transparent part here. Duplicate, go to the third one, resize, make it bigger and drag it to the left side and drag the text inside the design. Go to the first page, add transition, click on flow, go to the second one, add transition, match and move, increase the duration, add new page, change the color to yellow and drag the next element and type your text. And apply the same effects. Just copy the style and paste. Drag the text to the top, keep just the transparent part. Duplicate, resize this image, make it bigger and drag the text inside and make it in any position you want. Add transition, flow, and next one, add transition, match and move. Increase the duration. And make the same for the third one. Change the color. And drag your elements. And type your text. Copy this style, paste, copy, paste. and drag the text to the top, and make sure you keep just the transparent part. Duplicate, resize, and drag your text. Add transition, flow, increase the duration, and add the transition, match and move, and increase the duration. Add new page and drag the three elements. Make them in the middle and resize and type your text. Copy the same style. Drag the text to the top. Duplicate. Select the three of them. Make them small. And drag the text. And add transition, flow, increase the duration, and add the transition, match and move, and increase the duration. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.